avalanche is a mass of material moving rapidly down a slope. An avalanche is typically triggered when material on a slope breaks loose from its surroundings. This material then quickly collects and carries additional material down the slope. There are various kinds of avalanches, including rock avalanches, which consist of large segments of shattered rock; ice avalanches, which typically occur in the vicinity of a glacier; and debris avalanches, which contain a variety of unconsolidated materials such as loose stones and soil. Snow avalanches, the subject of the remainder of this video, constitute a relatively common phenomenon in many mountainous areas. The size of snow avalanche can range from a small shifting of loose snow called sloughing to the displacement of enormous slabs of snow. In a slab avalanche, the mass of the descending snow may reach a speed of 130 kilometers or 80 miles per hour, and is capable of destroying forests and small villages in its path. Avalanches kill about 150 people a year in North America and Europe. Most of those killed are backcountry skiers, climbers, snowshoers, and snowmobilers who accidentally trigger an avalanche and become buried in the snow. The number of North American fatalities has risen with the increasing popularity of winter sports. Avalanches also have been triggered intentionally in warfare to kill enemy troops. In World War I, during fighting in the Alps on the Austrian-Italian front in December 1916, more than 10,000 troops were killed in a single day by avalanches triggered by artillery fired into slopes of unstable snow.